Automatic bins. Till now you had seen examples which specifying bins explicitly in the cow points. Now you will see what will happen if you are not adding any bins to the cow points. Consider this example. Here in the module I have specified a cow group that is bus values which is sampling at every positive edge of clock, and again I added a cow point with the name ADDR range, and you can see that I have not added any explicit bins to here. So this is specifying a cow point without specifying its bin. So in this case, Systemverilog will automatically create the bins for the ADDR variable. Here it will create 15 automatic bins. The reason is the size of the ADDR is 3 round of 0, so it is capable of holding 16 values from 0 to 15. Thus it will create 16 separate cow points coverage bins for the variable ADDR, and this is called automatic bin creation. If a coverage point does not define any bins, then Systemverilog automatically create n state bins where the value of n is determined as follows. If this cow point variable is an enumerated value, then it is the number of values listed in the enumeration, or for any other variable this n will be equal to 2 power m, where m is equal to number of bits needed here. So if it's a 4 bit variable, it will n will be equal to 2 power m, that is 16 here. Thus for ADDR it will create 16 different cow points automatically, which is ranging from 0 to 15. Now there is a limitation. There is a limitation here, or you can add a maximum number of automatically created cow points. So for that you can use an option called auto bin max. So this is a way to limit the maximum number of automatically created bins. You can add this auto bin max either with the coverage definition or with the specific cow point definition. We will see more about using options in the coming sessions, but just remember that there is an option called auto bin max, which can be used either along with the coverage definition or within the cow point definition. And if you specify a maximum limit of the automatically created bins, the auto bins will be limited to this particular value. Now assume that you are specifying a cow point for an m bit variable, and 2 power m is greater than the auto bin max option. For example, consider that the variable is a 16-bit variable, and you had specified the auto bin max as a 64. So in this case, the Systemverilog divides the range into a number of auto bin max limits. So here in this example, this is the whole number of cow points which is possible with the 16-bit variable is 65,000 values, and this 65,000 will be divided by 64, and in every cow point bins there will be 1024 automatically created values. And finally, about automatic bins, it is not recommended to use automatic bins in your coverage, as it is quite difficult to analyze the missing cow points if at all there after the simulation. Now if you are using automatic bin creation, it's advised to limit the maximum number of bins created to some lower values like 8 or 15.